This video introduces where to find relevant sources for research papers in East Asian studies. Research is not a linear process. Choosing a research topic is intertwined with finding and reading sources. It's normal and necessary to tweak and form a manageable topic to fit your research purpose, either a term paper or a dissertation. Once you decide on your topic, it's time to start searching and reading. Wikipedia is a good place to gather some initial background information about your topic. But because it can be edited by anyone, it is not a reliable source. You should avoid citing Wikipedia in your research paper. Google Scholar can be a good resource for finding articles, but it only includes bibliographic data from large databases. Contents from some highly specialized databases are not searchable through Google Scholar. Library databases help you find useful literature more effectively because they are grouped by subject areas. Within a database, you can limit search results by a variety of criteria, such as subject heading, to a manageable level. Easily identify scholarly or peer-reviewed sources. An index or bibliographic database does not provide full text. If your library doesn't already own print copies of the source, you'll need to use your library's interlibrary loan service to get access. Now, let's take a look at some key English language databases that will be useful for your research. Bibliography of Asian Studies is the most comprehensive Western language database for research on East, Southeast, and South Asia since 1971. JSTOR is a multidisciplinary database of full-text journal articles, books, and primary sources. Newer works published in the last 1 to 5 years may not be included. Academic Search Premier is a comprehensive database of articles, magazines, and newspaper articles that covers almost all academic areas of study. Depending on your research fields, other databases might be more useful for you. For example, MLA International Bibliography is the go-to database for language and literature studies. FIOF International Index to Film Periodicals covers the world's most important academic and popular film journals. Click the link in the description box to find key databases by subject. Master's theses and doctoral dissertations are research projects completed as part of graduate degrees. They may contain information not published in other forms. They also have a comprehensive literature review chapter and reference list. Seeing how others approach similar topics during their graduate career may give you some ideas for doing your own research. ProQuest Dissertations and Theses database is the most comprehensive collection of multidisciplinary dissertations and theses. Many universities upload dissertations to their institutional repository, and you can find them through a Google Scholar or Google search. After finding relevant sources for your topic, don't forget to check their bibliographies or references. They may include works exactly on your topic or very close to your topic. Talk to your instructors, advisors, and librarians for more guidance. You can start with some key Chinese, Japanese, and Korean language databases regardless of your topic. China Academic Journals is a comprehensive Chinese journal article database. Duxiu is like the Chinese version of Google Books and Google Scholar, with millions of volumes of ebooks, dissertations, journals, magazines, newspapers, and more. Siny Research is the largest academic information search service for humanities and social sciences in Japan. It searches journal articles, books, dissertations, research data, government-funded research projects, and more. Zassaku Plus is a journal and magazine index database since the Meiji period, including those published in former Japanese colonies. Magazine Plus is another index database of journal and magazine articles published since the Meiji period. These three databases have some overlapping content. RIS International is an index database of journal articles published by Korean scholarly associations and universities, including theses and dissertations. DBpedia and KISS are multidisciplinary full-text databases of journal articles published by major Korean research institutions. These databases have some overlapping content. Graduate students are encouraged to contact your librarian for a complete list of specialized databases your library subscribes to and ask for recommendations on ones related to your topic. Now, let's review what we've learned. Use specialized library databases relevant to your field. Search theses and dissertations for the newer scholarship that haven't been published in other forms. Review bibliographies or references for additional relevant sources. Consult with instructors, advisors, and librarians to determine when to stop searching. Please click the exercise link in the description box to test your learning. Answers are provided after you complete the exercise. If you have any questions, please ask your librarian.